The most beautiful bird in the world. 1. Toucan keelbill. Because of its colorful beak, it is known as the rainbow-billed toucan. 2. Macaw hyacinth. This bird has bright blue feathers. In the eyes, there are yellow circles on the eyelids. 3. Bohemian waxwing. Visually, this bird has a crested head and gray, white, and brown plumage. 4. Blue jay. Blue jays have stunning blue, white, and black plumage. The most distinguishing characteristic of this songbird is its sonorous JJ sound. 5. Puffin Atlantic. Atlantic puffins are also known as sea parrots because of their large, colorful beaks and penguin-like coloring. Well, that's the 5 most beautiful birds in the world. Finally, I say goodbye. Thank you.